Hello students, welcome to Organic Embers YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to solve one of the interesting and important question for the competitive exams from Hydrocarbons chapter. Let's get started. Compound A on hydrogenation consume 2 mole equivalents of hydrogen to form a saturated hydrocarbon. When A is treated with ozone followed by reductive workup, two products are formed. One is formaldehyde, the other one is a diketone. What is compound A? Let's analyze the options given. All these molecules have two double bonds in them, which shows that all of them can react with 2 moles of hydrogen to form a saturated hydrocarbon. So, all the 3 molecules have 2 double bonds which are reacting with 2 moles of hydrogen to form a saturated hydrocarbon. Therefore, it can be all of these options as well. So, let's analyze each and every option carefully. Upon ozonolysis, it's forming diketone. Let's check if this molecule can form diketone. Yeah, here it can form a ketone. Here also it can form a ketone. Let's check in this case. Yeah, here also ketone, here also ketone. How do you know that? If the double bond carbon is attached to 2 carbons in turn like this, it's going to be a diketone, right? What about here? So there is one ketone here and one ketone here on this carbon and this carbon. So that is also possible, right? So all the 3 can form a diketone. Let's check if it can form an aldehyde, which is here, CHO. Here we can get a CHO. What about here? When this undergo reductive ozonolysis, this will form formaldehyde. What about this? It will form an aldehyde. What about here? Yes, this forms ketone, but this forms an aldehyde. That is also possible, right? Therefore, all these molecules will form the product shown here. All of these is the right option. If you want, you can write also what are the products and then you can verify. It's very easy. Here you have double bond oxygen, right? And what about here? You are going to get a ketone. Write that here, and here we are going to get an aldehyde, CHO. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4 position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that is correct. Let's check for this. You do the reductive ozonolysis here. So you are going to get a double bond. Right? Be careful while writing the product. You don't have to in a competitive exam, but since we are practicing, you can write and then verify. Alright? Because in the exam, if you keep writing all this, you might waste lots of time. Okay? Now, let's check for ketone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, that is also correct. Okay? Let's check for the option C. The double bond will come here. That is a ketone we are talking about. Right? And same here also. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But we are talking about hydrogen here, right? It's an aldehyde. What about here? Let's see here. Right? This is a ketone. Right? So this is how you are going to predict what are the ozonolysis product. Therefore, the right option is all of these molecules upon ozonolysis is going to give this diketone and formaldehyde. Thank you for watching this video.